How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. Welcome back to another PDR tool highlight video. If you're enjoying this series, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below on the next tool that you may want us to highlight. Today's tool is the Willy Quick blending hammer that he sells. I think this is the first tool that he designed out of his entire collection, and it was probably about 2, maybe even 4 years ago he came out with this tool, and I'm just getting my hands on it and I'm loving it. So let's go over the features. Standard carbon fiber that we all see in a lot of blending hammers. This is a 17-inch long blending hammer, their longest version. They do make a 13-inch long one. It's your personal preference for that one. The handles does adjust. You have a ball on one end. You can actually slide out and then reverse it so it's a little longer if you need. So it's 17 can turn into 20. And then the 13, I believe, can turn into like a 15 or 16. So those are the features on the bottom of the hammer, but the real meat and potatoes, the real goodness is in this head right here. So obviously these are my tips that I choose to run with on my blending hammers, but for him, the part that makes this hammer so nice is that he has magnetic screw-on or add-ons that you put so that the tips just snap into place. That is very cool. The hammer does come with a blending tip similar to the one I like to run with. The other side is more of a point, and I roll with, I believe this is the Dent Technologies tip that is no longer available, but these are the two tips that I run with and the two tips that it comes with. I did take off his cap, his magnetic cap, and I'm over here screwing it like it screws off. I'm so used to sitting here unscrewing and then pulling off, but nope, you just pull away and it comes off. Now you can buy extra add-ons to your existing tips, which comes with the O-ring, and they, like I said, look like this. Now I got mine fairly tight so that it's snug and they do not back out, and you just slide in like this. So now you would think that over time it will come off, or you at least feel that vibration basically when you're blending, but you do not. This is my biggest fear with this hammer. When I saw it, I said, man, you're gonna feel all of this jitter and stuff inside the hammer, and I want it to be as accurate as possible, and I don't see how this can be accurate. That was far from the truth. This hammer is lovely. In hand, it has great balance. The fact that you can just replace the tips, put something a little sharper on, it slides right in. You waste no time unscrewing, they just slide right on. Now I will be running this exact same setup in his knockdown tool. I'll have another highlight video going over his knockdown, but he uses this same magnetic attachment that he, I think, is pioneered in this industry. I don't know any other company that uses magnetic tips instead of the screw-on. So this is just a little mini highlight video. I should have bought this a long time ago, but now that I do have it in my arsenal, this is like my #1 hammer for finishing right now. I do have my own hammer, I love that thing, but you do need a lightweight hammer that you can call on for those Subarus and those thinner metals, or that last bit, that last little fine tuning in the repair that you need. So Willy Quick Tools, link will be in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're happy about the content, happy with what we're doing. All right, see you guys on the next video. Peace.